Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Froge token. Now the Froge token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 10th on a very big central exchange. Obviously this is a combination of Doge and a frog, and now we have Froge, the newest meme token on the block. We're going to go over the information on the Froge token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Froge token. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 10th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Froge, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I was just looking at their CoinMarketCap chart here, and it says they're actually up 122% today, doing very well. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap and on Froge's webpage. If you scroll down, you will also find a link to CoinMarketCap on there. So total market cap for this project right now is $3.1 million. 24-hour trading volume right now is $137,000. There is a large amount of tokens here. It says that is a million, 690,420,000,000,000 Froge tokens. A lot of pumped comments here on CoinMarketCap. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, they have a Reddit listed on here, Telegram, Twitter, their webpage, Froge2023.fund. That's where you can find all the links on there as well. Now, yeah, pretty popular token today here. They have a GitHub. So this token is available on December 10th, 11 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now they have a Telegram at FrogeBSC100M that has 21,609 Telegram members. A lot of members on the socials here, 1,514 members online right now. They have a Twitter, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. 6,171 Twitter followers. Embrace the unbridled spirit of Froge. And it's a Binance Smart Chain token, like I said, and it has the contract address right on their Twitter there. Blue verified checkmark, 75 tweets. Has a link to their Telegram and their webpage, and then in their pinned tweet, you can find Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Aave.ai link, link to Pancakeswap. If you want to get this token prior to its Mexc Global listing, you can get it on Pancakeswap. So Dex Tools has some audits on there that we could check out in a second on this token to see what the security is on here. Now, on their webpage, it says, well, they have, tons of links on here as well. PooCoin as well. You can check them out there. Now, meet Froge, the self-proclaimed official mascot of OpenAI, on a mission to redefine the very essence of memes in the digital realm. Brace yourself for the transformative journey as Froge leaps in, ready to revolutionize the meta of memes forever. Now, if you are going to buy this token off of Pancakeswap or sell it on Pancakeswap, you'll have to set your slippage around 4% for buy, sells, and maybe transfers, because it has a 4% tax. Mexc Global does have minimal fees, though. So, it says, Froge stands as a beacon of unity in the resilience of the workforce at OpenAI. When confronted with seemingly insurmountable challenges and the looming threat of the company's demise, one figure emerged as the savior, Froge. This unassuming frog swiftly transformed into the symbol of hope, preserving one of the globe's most groundbreaking enterprises and swiftly becoming a rallying point for solidarity within the workforce. As Froge ascends to claim the mantle of the official mascot of OpenAI, we are certain this marks only the inception of its evolution. Now, Froge, emerging as the emblem of unity with OpenAI, is poised to redefine the strength within the realm of DeFi, melding the essence of Doge and Pepe. Froge embodies the essence of memes and liberation in the crypto sphere, showcasing the power of community. Operated, propelled, and crafted by the collective, Froge unites global users in a quest to transform the very notion of a meme. In the world of DeFi, Froge is a beacon of belief. And yes, so it keeps going and going. We don't need to go over this huge story here. But yeah, so the tokenomics, we already went over that. So they're basically, their goal is to be recognized by OpenAI as their mascot, basically, the official mascot. And their future goals here, it says, following and supporting OpenAI across Froge social media, establishing a strong community with like-minded individuals, community-led socials and channels, reach $1 billion market cap, showing the support for Froge. Further goals will be announced. Now, let's go to those audits like I mentioned earlier. So if you go to DEX Tools, you can find their liquidity, market cap, 24-hour trading volume, all the same similar stuff, the chart that you can find on CoinMarketCap. But they also have some audits on here. It says one alert. So there's one alert on here. It does say taxes are 4%. No honeypot. Contract is verified. It says no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, can't modify tax, can't pause transfers, no blacklisting. The only warning is it just says other risks by Quick Intel, but it doesn't tell you what, and that's kind of annoying when that happens. But it doesn't say anything on Token Sniffer, it doesn't say anything on Go Plus Security, just Quick Intel. It just says other risks. So that is about it. I mean, hopefully they come out with a full audit, and then you can go into more depth about the security of this token. But always take every token with a grain of salt and thoroughly do your own research before thinking about investing in this token. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Froge? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where Froge is getting listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.